Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Add Friend button not showing on your Facebook profile. So let's start. First open the Facebook app. But before moving forward, let me show you the problem I'm trying to fix. I'll just quickly go to my profile. Now here you can see if you visit my profile it will not show the Add Friend button. Rather it is showing only the follow button and the messaging button. This is the problem you have to fix. Now let me show you how you can fix that. First you have to go to your home page. Then tap on three bars on top right corner. Now scroll down. Tap on Settings and Privacy and go to Settings. Now scroll down to the Privacy section and tap on Privacy Settings. Now scroll down. Under the How People Find and Contact You section, you will see who can send you friend request. Tap on that. Here you have to select everyone and your problem will be fixed. Now let me show you the results on my profile. And here you can see the Add Friend button is now showing. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.